Wi-Fi 与 Bluetooth controller, 5 volts LED strip, 5 volts power supply, 12 volts LED strip, 12 volts power supply. Positive electrode, data, negative electrode. Arrow denotes the proper data signal direction. Power supply voltage must match your LED strip. Use only 5 volts power for 5 volts LED strips. Power supply voltage must match your LED strip. Use only 12 volts power for 12 volts LED strips. Warning: incorrect polarity connection reverse plus minus sign may cause permanent damage to the controller. How to connect the controller? Download Tuya Smart or Smart Life from App Store. Long press set button over freeze. Indicator light blinks means controller entered the link mode. Add device. Lighting. Connect to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi controller. Tip: works with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi networks, does not support 5 GHz. How to set LED strip length? Set the actual controlled length of the SPI addressable RGB LED strip. Default for 20 ICs. Adjustable range, 20 to 720 PCSIC. Color calibration. Click on color correction and click based on the color of the light strip. Select paint bucket mode to choose from free color patterns, color, color card, and combination. Select colored pens mode to paint custom colors onto your strips. They'll instantly match your artwork. Our LED controller supports multiple dynamic effects. Music effects. DIY effects. Compatible 2.4 GHz RF group control remote. Need purchased separately. Free times within 3 seconds. Flashing free times. Pairing successful. If the light doesn't blink slowly, pairing failed. Please retry the steps. Note: paired lights cannot be repaired. Five times within 3 seconds. Flashing 10 times. Unpairing complete. If the light doesn't blink quickly, unpairing failed. Just try again, but remember, lights that aren't paired won't need this.